Geneva says in the middle of 4.48 on spirals, Geoff talks about using pattern for function and being able to justify why we use a particular pattern in design. How do we balance beauty, pattern, and function without getting stuck trying to make the perfect choice before we begin? Is trial and adjustment always part of good design? There's no perfect design, that's for sure. And trial adjustment goes on forever. It's infinite. I'm still trialing. I'm still adjusting over many, many years. But you really need to emphasize function first. Little lad's just picking a passion fruit. Not quite 2-year-old picking a passion fruit. That's why it all jumped. I thought he was going to pick my tripod up, but he hasn't. So, yeah, you prioritize function, but then you find in functional design, often there is really nice aesthetics and there's really nice patterns that emerge from your system. So you are adjusting and you are trialing continuously, and you can always refine a little bit more, thank goodness. Otherwise it would be kind of boring if you got it all done all at once. So, but you're emphasizing function first, and pattern and aesthetics emerge from that system. So don't get caught up in it. Get involved. You'll see it. You'll evolve it. You'll get flowers and different things in your gardens for functional reasons, but they'll have aesthetic beauty that goes with that function.